Hello, HowReset here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix some issues with your Disney Plus. So all you want to do is go to the App Store first, go to the search bar, search the Disney Plus, and just check if you have update. When I have the open button, there should be update. If this enable update, there should be update. But if you got the updated app and you get open, so and still get issue, maybe just go to the settings, go to the apps, go to the Disney, and here maybe you just don't have auto tracking and it can track you, or you get off the local network. So if you got on the normal Wi-Fi, you are offline on your app, or you got off your mobile data when you're out of the house and you don't have Wi-Fi and you are on your mobile data, and maybe because of this you can't download your show or watch the show because you don't have enabled this. You need to check all of this. Hello. Or you got the bad language. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and